Hi everyone, DIY bookmark making is long pending video. Gacha Life has been asking for a very long time now. I am late in creating this video. To compensate, I am sharing Christmas themed 5 different types of bookmarks in today's video. How about that? Let's get right into the first bookmark. Elf sock bookmark. You need 2 strips of sheet in contrast colors. I have pink and yellow sheets. You can try red and white sheets too. The measurements for bottom layer are 2 inch by 5 inch. For top layer, go with 1.5 inch by 4.5 inch. Once you have cut the sheets, draw the elf sock with colorful dots on top of it. Fill the sock opening with a candy cane and gifts drawn in it. Right? Fill mine with books on top of the strip. Then make a hole with punching machine. Tie a colorful thread or a ribbon through the hole. Your elf sock bookmark is ready. Christmas hat bookmark. Take a white strip of card with measurements 2 inch by 5 inch. Towards the top side, draw a Christmas hat like how I am doing. Write ho 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 under that in different styles of writing. Color it with red and draw black outlines. Now add red, black stars in different sizes all over the card. There you go. Your Christmas hat bookmark is ready. Star bookmark. Take a bright color or red strip of card with measurements 2 inch by 5 inch. On a white paper, draw different sizes of stars. Cut them all out. Don't worry about the pencil marks as you will stick the other side on the card. Now draw some small black colored stars in between these white stars. You can even decorate the card with small hearts or stars or shiny stickers if you have. Done. Another bookmark is ready. Santa corner bookmark. Take a white square piece of paper, size doesn't matter. Fold it neatly to make a triangle. Take the right side corner and join it to the top corner. Fold it neatly. Do the same with the left side corner. Open it and bring one layer from top to down. Bring the right side flap over and tuck it inside. Do the same with the left side flap. Your base for corner bookmark is ready. Now draw a Santa on the upper part. Write some interesting line on the bottom side. I have written fell asleep right here. Draw the outlines with the black color and then color the Santa's hat with red color. Your Santa corner bookmark is ready. I've also created one small corner bookmark with the leftover paper. Wrote the end for tonight on it. I chose a printed paper to create a different look for the same technique of corner bookmark. Let me show you how to use it. You can decorate it the way you want to. You can draw cute faces, stick some ears, write something on it, get creative. Christmas tree corner bookmark. Now with the same technique, let me show you how to make a Christmas tree. Take a square sheet, size doesn't matter. If you take a thin paper, it will be easy. I had only card sheet in green color, so I am using that. I am forwarding the same foldings as shown earlier. Draw the shape of the tree on both sides with a pencil. Now cut out along the pencil drawn lines. I told you, right? Thin paper will be easy. Now take a brown color small strip of sheet, stick it to the inside as shown here. There you go. Your Christmas tree corner bookmark is ready. You can use it as it is or you can decorate it. For the decoration, I am using small circle sheets or papers which are collected in my punching machine. So I just stick them all around the tree and I have cut out one small star from a leftover paper and I have stuck it on the top of the Christmas tree. So your decorated Christmas tree is ready. I've created these bookmarks for you on your request. Hope you liked them. Try them out and let me know how they came out. Follow me on Instagram and share the bookmark pictures with me. I would love to see them. Don't forget to tag me @Arpita Rai. Subscribe to my channel for more simple DIY projects just like this one. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.